Alright, so welcome to Pbteck. I'm Prince, and in this particular video I'm going to show you how you can actually reset your Dstv decoder to factory default. Okay, so maybe some of the channels are not working but they're supposed to be working on your package. Okay, or you have done some certain things, go to the menu and you don't know whatever you are doing and something is wrong with your decoder. So all you got to do is to reset it to factory default, and it's very simple. So you just pick up your Dstv remote and you look for the blue logo, which will take you to the Dstv menu. Press on it. Okay, so here we have just look for settings. Okay, settings, and settings come down to system settings. Okay, so system settings, and then come to reset decoder settings. Okay, the number 2 here, press OK on it. Alright, so just count down to the last one and then select reset to factory default. Okay, and press OK. So here you need to confirm that you want to reset to factory default. Maybe you mistakenly went to that menu. Okay, so press OK on reset to factory default and wait patiently for it to reboot. Okay, alright, so if you find yourself to be new here, I'm here to help you out. So if you have any problem with regards to satellite or anything that comes into tech as a whole, you can comment below and I'll get time and then answer your question. Okay, you can like the video, share on other platforms that accept YouTube videos, and you'll be blessed. Okay, so after rebooting the decoder, you are not done. You need to proceed with some settings before you can get back your channel. So alright, so after rebooting, you're gonna have the installation, a newly decoder installation wizard page. Okay, so you have to just proceed with the right settings and then you get your channels back. Okay, so we have language option here. Select your language. If you can speak Portuguese, you just select Portuguese. So select English right here, press OK on it. So when you come here, we have satellite. So with the satellite, we have some satellite name on the IS20 page. Okay, so IS20 page, we have some listed countries on this page, as you can see on your screen. Okay, Botswana, Malawi, Mozambique, Namibia, South Africa, Swaziland, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. So if your country name have been mentioned here, you have to select the satellite and then proceed with the same step that I'm going to use it in this illustration. Okay, so if you can't find your country name on this list, you have to change the satellite name, okay, to E36B. So for the rest of Africa, if you are living in Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria, Cote d'Ivoire, Sierra Leone, and any other country that you can't find your country name on the IS20 page, just select the E36B. Okay, and then press OK. So when you come here, you have manual setup. Select manual setup. Okay, and then press OK on it. Alright, so we have LNB type. If you are using a Zapper decoder, I mean these small decoders. Okay, if it's not an Explorer decoder, I have to select the universal LNB. Okay, unless they install it with a smart LNB and then they use a unique cable port, that's where you need to select a unique cable. Okay, so for you to know which LNB that they use, you can change the LNB type right here to unique cable and then come down to check whether the signal strength fill up. If it's not showing on the universal but it shows on the unique cable LNB, meaning that's the right LNB that you need to select, and you select it right there and you proceed. Okay, if you are using an Explorer decoder, look at the front of your decoder. You're gonna know the decoder model, and then if it's an Explorer decoder, just select unique cable LNB, because Explorer doesn't allow a universal LNB installation. Okay, so this is a Zapper decoder. Select universal. You're gonna press OK to scan. Alright, so after scanning, you have to wait patiently for the scanning to complete, and then after scanning, you're gonna get your channels back. Okay, so if you find this video helpful and today has been your first time watching me on this channel, all you got to do is to subscribe to this channel, like the video, share on Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, and any other platform that accepts either YouTube link or YouTube video, and you'll be blessed. Thanks for watching. Bless up.